Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw a hammerhead shark version of a Sonic character. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Sonic the Hedgehog hammerhead shark character, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right about here, and I'm just going to begin by making a line that's just going to kind of go down, and I'm going to bring it back here. Next, I'm just going to go down and then up here with the eye. Next, I'm just going to curve this around and I'm going to bring this down and then up to here. Next, I'm going to make a line here and then a little line here. I'm going to make a skinny oval shape and I'm going to color in most of it, leaving just a tiny bit white. Now, kind of right across from here, I'm going to draw lines. Just going to kind of come up and in. I'm going to make a line down and then kind of over. Next, I'm just going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve down and then over to here. I'm going to make this line come out. I'm going to bring this down, and then we're just going to come up. I'm going to curve this into a smile with a little line. I'm going to bring this down and up. We'll make a line with some sharp little teeth there. Now I'm going to do two little dots for a nose. Next, right here, I'm going to curve this line up. I'm going to make a point that's going to come up and then down for kind of like a fin. And we're going to make another line right up here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. I'm going to put a little point here and then just kind of bring it over. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then I'm just going to curve it around for the neck. I'm going to put a little point here, a little point here, and then one here. So it's kind of like he's wearing a little necklace. I'm going to make this line curve around, and then we're just going to bring it back up. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to curve it around, and then I'm just going to kind of bring this right up to here. We'll put a little curve right around here. Then for the shoe, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. We'll curve this line around, and then I'm going to bring this back up. We're going to bring this line around and then up to here. Then I'm going to put some little waves on here. And then a little line here, and then one here. Next, starting here, I'm going to make this line come out and then in. We'll curve it and bring this line up and then back here. We'll do a little curve here. Then we'll bring this line here. And we'll bring one right down to here. We'll make a line here. And we'll make it kind of pop out here for that other foot. We'll do some lines for a wave and a line right here. Now, starting here, I'm going to curve this line out. I'm going to make a line here, and then I'm going to curve it back. We'll make a kind of like a curve shape around here, And then I'll make a line here for the thumb with a line across. We'll bring this around. We'll go 1, 2, 3, and 4 and bring it right back to here. I'm gonna make a little line right across here for some detail. Now for like an actual shark fin, I'm gonna bring this line out and in, put a little notch, and then bring it back to here with a little line down. Little line here. Next, we'll bring this line out, we'll curve, and then bring it back in. We'll make that little ring shape. I'll make this line come out for a finger, and then we'll bring this back down and up for a thumb. Go 1, 2, and then 3 little lines for the fingers. Next, for the tail, let's kind of curve this line around, and we're going to bring it up here. I'm going to bring this back down and then up to here. I'm going to curve this in, put a little point on it, and then bring it right up here. Now I'm going to make a little line here and a little line here for some detail. Then I'm going to add these little kind of like stripe lines on here. We're going to make these kind of come down the tail too, just to give it a little bit more detail. I'm even going to put about 3 of these on the arms too. And then I'm going to make a little line right here for some more detail. And there you go. There is your drawing of a hammerhead Sonic the Hedgehog shark character. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.